Hello everybody, welcome to the JavaScript course. In this video, I'm going to discuss the way to get the elements using the getElementId. So actually, there is a method called getElementById, and you just pass a particular ID, and then you can use it to recognize the element node, and you can also edit the element node after you have recognized it. And this video is going to tell you the way to do so. Now, let us see the HTML file first. The HTML file has a number of elements. I have a title here, and in the body I have a number of element nodes. And for example here I have a header, and I have also a header here, and I have also included a figure, and the figure has some dimensions being set up, and also I have a caption for that figure. And of course I have linked my HTML file to a JavaScript file called myscript.js, which is stored in the JS folder. And you can take a look at the current web page on the right hand side, which is this one. And I'm going to change the appearance of this web page by manipulating the JavaScript code. So here is the code, and the image is also included. And let's go to the JavaScript file. Now, let us go to the JavaScript file. In order for me to use the strict mode, I have to type use strict on the first line of the JavaScript file. And after that, let us try to obtain the element by using the getElementById method. Okay, suppose I want to get this header called ID1 being the ID. So I can try to do it on the JavaScript file as follows. So I use document.getElementById followed by the ID that I'm going to handle. So I have typed header1 here. So in this case, I'm able to save my element node into the variable called elem, and this elem is going to save this particular header. So I just obtain the header by using the ID, okay? And after that, I can manipulate this element node. So for example, I can change the element node's font family and color, and I'm also tell you the way to try other styles from the drop-down menu provided by your editor. So I'm trying to change the color of the font, and I'm also trying to change the font family as well. So before I save it, let's go to the original web page first. So after that, I'm able to change this very first line to have blue in color and Korean New as the font family. So let us see the result by saving the JavaScript file. And let me reload the page. Yes, you can see that the font has become Korean New, and the color has become blue from the original color of black. So that means I've already picked up this particular element node shown on line number 6 of the HTML file. Okay. So if we want to see the styles that we can manipulate on the JavaScript file, I can show you the idea like this one. So after I've typed the element variable together with the style, I can have a number of choices shown on the drop-down menu. So you can just choose the properties that you want to change, and then you can just set up your own value to that property. Then you're able to change the style of your particular element obtained by using the getElementById method. Okay. So I'm trying to show you another example of really editing the element node by changing its text content. So I just used the getElementById method again. So I'm trying to go to the whole document node, and then I'm trying to find out the particular element by indicating its ID. So now I use header2. That means I'm trying to get this header. Okay, so I'm trying to handle this particular line shown here. Okay. So if I want to change the text inside the element node, I can have a way like this one. One approach is to use innerHTML. So it means that I want to change the HTML content of this particular element obtained by using the getElementById method. Okay, so you will see that this line will be changed to another one, indicated by line 13 of the JavaScript file. So let me save the file first, and then I'm trying to reload the page. Yes, you can see that the content has changed to another one. This is header number 2 as opposed to the original one called this is the second header. Okay. Now you can see that I have used 2 lines to do the editing. So is it possible to just use 1 line to do the editing? Yes, it is really possible. So I'm trying to show you an example to just use 1 line, and we can do the editing in 1 line only. So now I'm trying to handle this ID called image1. That means I'm trying to change the appearance of the image. So this statement is trying to get the image by using getElementById method, and then I want to change the width of this image from 600 pixels to 400 pixels. So you can see that I'm trying to use 1 line only to do the assignment of the width value of my image. So let us see the result by saving the thing first. Save. And I'm trying to reload the page, and you will see that the width will be smaller than before. Okay, after I've pressed the reload button, you can see that the image has been narrowed down to just 400 pixels. So I can use 1 line to pick up the element together with changing the properties after picking up that element. Okay. So the idea of using the getElementById method is that we have to make sure that there is only 1 element with a particular ID. So we have to make sure that there are no 2 elements having the same ID. Otherwise, the JavaScript file is unable to handle which particular element we are going to handle. And sometimes error may occur due to the failure to recognize the particular elements that you want to handle. So this video has already talked about the way to really change the element appearance by using the getElementById method. So the idea is to go to the document node, and then from this document node I will use the getElementById method followed by the ID indicated on the HTML file, and after that you can change the appearance of that particular node, or you can use 1 line only to do the change, or instead of 1 line you can use 2 lines. That is up to you. So usually when you want to save some space, it may be easier to do it in just 1 line. And we have to make sure that there is only 1 element with a particular ID. We don't have the clash with the ID on your HTML file. Otherwise, the getElementById method isn't really able to recognize your particular element that you want to handle. This is the end of the video. If you have any questions about my video, please leave your questions on the comment section below the video. If you like this video, please give me a like and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.